We now proceed with the second part of our hearing on the proposed Senate Resolution number 736 filed by our minority floor leader, Senator Coco Pimentel III, and the privileged speech of Senator Rafi Tolfo regarding the death of Gerhard Jimboy Baltasar last August 2, 2023.
Mr. Chair.
For the record, Senator Risa Hontiveros also filed proposed Senate Resolution number 742, which also seeks for a legislative inquiry on the death of Jimboy Baltasar, but has not yet been referred to this committee.
Salamat
Maybe-
kaayo,
maybe
Mr.
this
Chair.
afternoon.
Lagi. Salamat kaayo, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Senator Risa Hontiveros. I would like to request the Committee Secretary, Lawrence Asierto, to recognize the guests and resource persons present for our investigation in aid of legislation on the death of Jimboy Baltasar and thereafter administer the oath. Comsec, take charge.
Thank you, sir. We would like to recognize the following guests. From the Department of Justice, we have Attorney Oliva La Rosa Torrevillas. She is the Deputy State Prosecutor. Afternoon, ma'am. Again. From the Philippine National Police, I'll be mentioning the name of the officers, but not necessarily in the order of seniority. As per listing pa po ito. We have Police Captain Mark Joseph Carpio, Team Leader.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. We have Police Captain Luisito de la Cruz, Assistant Team Leader.
Present, sir.
We have Police Captain Juanito Arabejo, Chief Investigation NCPS. Asan siya?
Comsec,
Yes, sir.
how about yung anim na suspect? Andito?
Wala pang binigay yung PNP, sir.
Ha?
Wala pang binigay na sir, yung PNP.
Inimbitahan ba natin yun?
Yes, sir. Kasama sila, sir. Included sila sa lister, yung 6 suspects.
PNP, hindi nyo dinala?
Nandyan daw po,
Nandito
sir.
sila, yung anim?
Nasa likod daw po sila, sir.
Upo kayo dito. Dito yung anim. Yung suspect. Open dito.
Can we have the names of the 6 suspects from the PNP? Pakuha na lang. Oo. Ito na. Okay. We also have PCMS Joselito Galvez, investigator. We have PSSG Sami Lianderal, also investigator. We have the Deputy Chief for Administration, Police Lieutenant General Rodel Osor Sermonia. Good afternoon, sir. We have also Police Brigadier General Rizalito G. Gapas, DD Northern Police District. Good afternoon, sir. We have Police Captain Melito B. Pabon, Chief CIS. We have PMSG Richard B. Canlas, CIS Investigator. We have PSSG Edmer G. Santos, CIS Investigator. We have Police Colonel Alan Umipig, sir. Good afternoon, sir. We have Police Major...
Ano ka umipig?
Ako yung dating Chief of Police ng Nabutas dati, Your Honor.
Nirelieve ka?
Yes, sir.
Sinong pumalit sa'yo?
Si Police Colonel Sumingwa, sir.
Saan siya? Upo ka dito. Upo ka. Doon. Sige, continue, Comsec.
Thank you, sir. We have Police Major General Eric Noble, DIDM. Afternoon, sir. We also have Police Colonel COP. We have the 6 personnel, sir, PNP personnel, namely Police PEMS Roberto Balais Jr., PSSG Jerry Maliban, PSSG Antonio Bugayong Jr., PSSG Nico Pines Esquilo, PCPL Edmark Jake Blanco, and Patrolman Benedict Mangada. We also have Attorney Alberto A. Bernardo from the Vice Chairperson and Executive Officer of the National Police Commission. sir. We also have the regional director, Attorney Jimmy from CH. Wala na pala. Sorry. We have Attorney Jasmine Navarro Regino, Director for Protection Cluster, CHR.
Good afternoon, Mr. Chair. Good afternoon, Your Honors.
We have Mr. Benjamin Banatao, Senior Investigator 3, CHR. Wala na. Okay. Attorney Romel Tinga. Good afternoon, sir. For the information of the body, sir, we have also invited the family and friends of Mr. Jemboy Baltasar. It has been received by one of the family members, but up to this point, sir, they haven't appeared here in the Senate, sir. Thank you, sir. Can we request all the new guests who have not yet not been administered their oath to please stand and raise their right hand for the administration of the oath? Attorney Tinga, please. Yung anim po na police, lahat po ng police. And all other policemen who are here who might be probably called later on so that wala na pong delay. Do you
Yung
swear-
mga nasa likod,
Nasa likod na police.
pwedeng magsalita mamaya. Tumayo na lang kayo para wala magbayad ito. Walang bayad ito.
Yes, may we request everyone na lang siguro na
Sige.
police na nasa likod po. Yan. Thank you. Please raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in this hearing and investigation? Thank you po. Please take your seat.
Mr. Chair,
Yes,
mabilis lang.
yes.
These policemen are the suspects at sila po ay na-inquest na. Ang pinagtataka ko, bakit naka-uniforme pa rin sila, hindi po sila naka-uniforme pampreso. Kasi na akin pong na-observe, pag may mga suspect dito na pinapatawag natin, nakapang-uniformeng suspect sila. So, these gentlemen here, I wouldn't even call them gentlemen now, these people here, it seems to me that they're being given preferential treatment just because they're men in uniform. Bibigyan natin sila ng magandang treatment. Dapat ito naka-uniforme pampreso. Kasi last time, at alala ko sa Coast Guard, di ba? Yung may lumubog na barko. Yung kapitan ng bangka, lumubog na bangka. Yung kapitan ng bangka, naka-uniforme ng pampreso. Samantalang equally, yung suspect din sa panig ng Coast Guard, na kinasuhan din, naka-uniforme pang Coast Guard. Dito nakikita natin hindi pantay ang batas. Dapat to pinag-uniforme ng preso.
What is the